Gwobr Arweinydd. Y tri uchaf yn y categori yma yw Andrea Jones o Cylch Meithrin Porth, Deborah Ivins o Cylch Meithrin Pentrebaen, Hannah Jones o Cylch Meithrin Corris. A'r enillydd yw Andrea Jones o Cylch Meithrin Porth.
Mae hi really passionate. Dwi'n really proud o hi. Mae gen hi gymaint o profiad a sgiliau a gwybodaeth mwyn I fi datblygu fy sgiliau I a wella fy swydd. Mae gyda hi gormod o egni, rhoi so much mewn i'r swydd. Mae hi'n werth y byd I gyd.
Sut mae taw with her mae hi High Woo!
The bond she has with the children is fantastic. My eldest son came here and he was the most shyest, quietest little boy ever. He's now full of confidence, he speaks well, his Welsh has come on fantastic. And I just think bringing my middle child here was even better. It was a good choice for me to make with Bob and Andrea.
She has a really good way of working with parents and supporting parents as well. When you talk to her, you feel like she really knows your child and you know, she will spend the time supporting you if she can in any way.
Mae hi'n werth y byd I gyd.
Llongyfarchiadau I Andrea Jones o Cylch Meithrin Porth.